Hey guys, so today I'm going to try something new. It's going to be kind of like a vlog. Hopefully I like it, hopefully you guys like it. We'll see what happens. This guy's not helping me put my shoes on. Not at all. We're going to be taking Chief out to King's Gap. It's not that far of a drive away. There's also not that much elevation, so it should be a pretty easy one, pretty chill one. Are you excited? Are ya? It'll be both of our first times there. I'm just a little bit nervous about the weather. It's a little bit overcast, so hopefully I can still get some shots. We are going to take the drone with us. All else fails, hopefully we can use some of that. What? I think someone's ready to go. Come on, let's go. Let's go get in the car. Special precaution. Bugs are terrible, huh? They're swarming my camera for some reason.
I keep spraying stuff in there, but it doesn't seem to get rid of them.
Well, ran into a couple problems. First off, too many bugs. As you can see, they wouldn't leave the camera alone, they wouldn't leave me alone, they wouldn't leave the dog alone. Second off, it's overcast as hell. Sun's not coming through anywhere. So we're gonna try again tomorrow. Pretty sure it's supposed to be a better day, and we'll have Haley and Ripley, so it'll be a whole family day thing, so enjoy that. Everybody ready to go?
Ready to go, guys?
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, I have to poop.
Go figure. Now
I didn't know
I had
you
to
could
hit
hit
it.
that one.
I had to hit it twice.
I didn't know you could hit that one.
I'm hitting the wrong one. Telling me I'm doing it wrong, and I'm not.
It just worked though.
No, that one.
hit that
Yeah, I
one,
hit
yeah.
that one. So
Yeah.
it's not working, and then I hit the right one. You're like, you're hitting the wrong one. I'm like, I'm not hitting the wrong one now. Mom and Dad are fighting.
So we're pretty excited for today. Got the whole fam this time. Better weather. Hopefully we'll be able to get the whole way out the hiking trail this time, not get surrounded by bugs. And get the drone up. Should be a good time.
Yeah. Chiefy, where are we going? What are we doing, buddy? Yourself out.
Not this time.
Right on the trail.
So they're not landing on the lens this time. I do see them flying by, but they're not landing on it, so that's good. We sprayed bug spray. Look at them. feel like the only thing keeping them out of my ears is my hair. So we just walked from there down that path, 1.3 miles, and nice park maintenance lady told us that we weren't where we thought we were. So we're gonna go down this one, Buck Ridge Trail. We're gonna go down here a mile and a quarter. We'll find out if that's what we're looking for, but the bugs are still pretty bad.
Never give up, never surrender.
Puppies. Oh god. Why is it whenever I get the camera out, the bugs come back? Hot and sweaty. Let's see if it's worth it.
Mission accomplished. Hey guys, you want some water? Hey guys, Chief.
Now it's time to let you guys know this is actually a sponsored video. Osprey book bags. You can get yours on Amazon.
For the low, low price of $39.99. The daylight pack.
Just kidding. Not sponsored, but
advocating.
yes,
Pack.
big supporters. Sweaty, buggy, but not overcast, and I think all around a great hike to come up and check this out. Dogs had a great time too. So now just a brisk 1.1, 1.2 mile walk back to the car. You know, the dogs are tired when they're walking behind us.
Time the morning comes, I hope that I'll have changed, 'cause I don't need the sun, no, I